Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check if PayPal account is verified or not. So just let me show you. We will go into the Play Store, or if you are using an app iPhone, then you have to go to the App Store, right? And here I will search PayPal, right? And after, just make sure that I am using the latest version. So let's move to the PayPal app, and here you can see that, just let it open. Okay, so guys, here you can see that my account is not verified because I have no profile and I have not linked my account, and I've just did the 3 steps and 2 steps are left. So you can easily find out that my account is uh, not verified, right? And you can see that I have not done any activity and all that. My account is not verified till now. So guys, this is pretty easy to find out whether your account is verified or not. If you just able to see the balance or the amount here on the front page, then your account is verified, right? And because if you'll automatically come to know, because people will send you a notification regarding that, and they will even send you email that your account has been verified and all that, right? So this will happen after that you linked your bank account and the card account, and after that it will possible, right? So this is pretty easy guys. I hope you found this video really helpful, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe our channel. See you in the next video. Till that time, take care. Goodbye.